everyone. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Fritz Fritz. Mhm. I hope your day is going splendidly so far. Currently, 89 degrees, sunny and hazy here in the valley on this Monday afternoon. Welcome in. Pull up a chair. Grab your favorite carbonated beverage if you have one. You know what time it is? Well, of course you do. That's why you're here, isn't it? On today's beverage review video. Whoa, did you see that? Did you see that? Today, I'm trying the Monkees banana nut soda. Whoa. Now, if you've tried this, please let me know in the comments what your assessment of it is. You may have heard of them, the Monkees, very popular musical group from the 60s. I'm trying this beverage nice and chilled. It's been sitting in my refrigerator for the past few days. I bought this 12 fluid ounce glass bottle online a week and a half ago. And I'm glad that the product arrived safe and sound. Woohoo! Exciting. I bought this for $4.99. The name, it caught my eye, so I figured I'd give it a try. Now, you know the routine, you know the drill. Rocket Fizz is not a sponsor of this video. Bolt Candy Store is not a sponsor of this video. The Monkees are not a sponsor of this video. And Rhino Records is not a sponsor of this video. There's Davy Jones. There's Peter Tork. There's Michael Nesmith. And there's Mickey Dolenz, the members of the Monkees. Where's my... looking for my bottle opener. I found it. All right, you ready? I'm ready. Almost ready. Got it. Ooh. Ooh. That's a nice, pleasant aroma. A little hint of butterscotch. Little nutty aroma as well. Ooh. Smells very, very sweet. Carbonation. Ooh, fizzy. Ooh, look at that nice golden, yellowish orange color. Very vibrant. Cheers, everybody. Creamy, smooth. Ooh, very, very fizzy. Carbonation. Ooh, tickle my tongue. Ooh, tickle my nose. Pardon me for a sec here. There we go. Ooh. Wow. Very, very sweet. A little tangy. In terms of the flavor profile, it reminds me of a mix between the banana flavored Laffy Taffy, homemade banana bread, and butterbeer. There's a slight nutty aftertaste, like walnut. Butterscotch is the most prevalent flavor from start to finish. A slight banana-esque taste in there as well. It's very well put together. Smooth. Certainly dessert territory, because it's very, very sweet. Not bitter, not stale, no weird chemical aftertaste like some other banana themed products I've had. Ooh, wow, what a treat. I could see having this at a county fair. Why not? Mm, and with some funnel cakes. Ooh, that might be a little too sweet to have these two things together. Novelty craft soda. It's fun. What a treat. I just can't get enough. Where did I? Oh, there's the bottle. There it is. Mm, mm. Oh, that carbonation really enhances the flavor profile of the butterscotch, the banana, and the nut. Might be a walnut. It all meshes well, splendidly. Mm, I just can't get enough. Ooh. If I was adventurous, I would make a float with this, add a little bit of vanilla ice cream and mix it all together in my blender. But I don't have any ice cream, so I won't be doing that today. Hmm. Wow, this is like a carbonated homemade banana bread. Hmm. With butterscotch. Whoa. Wow. Do I recommend this? Yeah. Yes, I do. Would I have it again, given the opportunity? Oh, yeah. Mm. Woo. On a scale of 1 to 10, I will give the Monkees banana nut soda. Ladies and gentlemen, get that band out here. It's been a while since I've had them because I'm giving this beverage a solid 10 out of 10. You heard it here first. Mm, it's fun, wonderful taste. I love the photo. Mm, what a treat. Banana. Until next time, I'll see you then. Bye, everyone. Have a great rest of your day. Safe travels if you're heading anywhere. Ta-da. Mm.
If this is like beef cookie, I'm out.
All right, well, get ready to munch this beef cookie. This final, I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry.
Oh, no.
Well, I've been thinking of linking my love so true. Thinking of linking my life with you. Thinking of linking can only be done by two. I've been thinking of linking my life with you. Thinking of linking my love so true.
Down. Here we come, walking down the street. We get the funniest looks from everyone we meet. Hey, we're the Monkees. And people say we monkey around, but we're too busy singing to put anybody down. We go wherever we want to, do what we like to do. We don't have time to get restless. There's always something new. Hey, we're the Monkees. And people say we monkey around, but we're too busy singing to put anybody down. We're just trying to be friendly. Come and watch us sing and play. We're the young generation, and we've got something to say. Oh, anytime or anywhere, just look over your shoulder. Guess who'll be standing there? Hey, we're the Monkees. And people say we monkey around, but we're too busy singing to put anybody down. Oh, bow, 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 bow. One time. Down, 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 down. Oh yeah. Woo. Da 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 da.